93 Cummins 5.9 turbo diesel, aka Big Red. What is it? 182, 84.9. Starts up every time. There's 30 below. Or 90 degrees like it is right now. I haven't done a whole lot to it. Just new nozzles on the injectors. Got a A3 intake, and then HX35 exhaust, minor modifications to the pump, fuel pin, fuel delivery screw. Yeah, master cylinder is junk. Don't really have anything for an intake, just a K&N. I don't know, I've been seeing about 2 more miles to the gallon on it. I'm getting around 18. Idle's a little low right now. I turned her down. Right now I'm not racing it in any truck and tractor pulls. Motor runs great. I love the Cummins. Battery's got 6 doors. It's kind of shit. Baby. I'll be posting a lot more on. You'll see a few tractor pulls on here. Took third 2 weekends ago in the stock class. I'm going to try to go up to modifieds, see how I do there. Stacks coming in about a month, and that's about it for right now. So, thanks.